Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter Trendline in the medium wheelbase. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The vehicle also comes with an automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver. Across the front of the vehicle, the Crafter features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. On the lower portion of the bumper, we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. The Crafter sits on 16-inch steel wheels, as well as coming with a full-size steel spare wheel. This Crafter comes with the high roof option, which is finished in the body colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, at the top there is a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera. Down below there are some magnets on the doors, which are useful for the 270-degree hinged barn doors, and helping you park and manoeuvre is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having a heavy-duty wooden flooring with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a step and a yellow grab handle for easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up in the driver's cab itself, there is a twin-seater bench next to the driver's seat. In the middle of the dash, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows access to DAB radio stations, as well as using the App Connect feature. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which allows for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.